New fair trading rules make it easier for grieving consumers to arrange a funeral for their loved ones. Funeral directors must now display the price of funeral goods and services they offer at their business and on their website. They must also display the price of their least expensive package. This information will help consumers to choose what to include in their loved one's funeral and which funeral business to use. If you want, you can ask a funeral director for a written quote. If you do, they must provide it within 48 hours or before you enter an agreement with them to use their funeral services, whichever happens first. You can agree to give them longer than 48 hours to provide the quote if you wish. Before you enter an agreement with a funeral director for them to provide a funeral, they must let you know the price of each of the goods and services being provided and the total you will need to pay. For more information on the new rules, visit www.qld.gov.au/fair trading.